know. I mean, I'll read it to you if you want to know.
They don't like Landon's trunk. We're going to have to deal with that.
So this is not your normal entry to a video. It's all me today because my dad's at a basketball game and it's derby season. I signed up for a team demolition derby in Washington County, and this is the car I'm building. It is a 1980s Chevy Caprice. I think it'll be good. I got most of the interior out, got all the door panels stripped off. I got to get the dash and whatever's in the trunk. It is going to be fun. I got the trunk open. I swear if this trunk slams my head. Ooh, well, we got ourselves a spare. My head. You stupid trunk. That ain't gonna work. Jumper cables. Ooh, ATF. What the heck is this? Stay up. Yeah. I just found a pretty good find for an old car. Found some tools. There's a lot more in that corner right there. I'm gonna get them out. This is a long, tedious process. Stupid little plastic nuts off for the tail lights. I swear if this trunk slams my head, I'm not gonna be happy. Oh, that hurt. That hurt. Ow. My head. Ow. You stupid trunk. Get the pry bar. Ow. That freaking hurt. Oh. Good morning. Today we're gonna get a cage put in it. Let's get after it. Okay, it is the end of the day and I'm done for today. There is a cage fully in the car now. All we have to do now is get the gas tank protector in, the middle bar, steering column, pedals, motor, transmission, and the rear end and the trunk. On to the next day. Good morning. Today we're gonna get the gas tank protector in. Turns out I gotta go get a car because I don't know how big the tank is I'm putting in it, so I have to go get the tank out of my dad's old Nephi car and put it in this one because that's what the motor and transmission, all that stuff's coming out of. We're gonna unload that truck off the rollback and go get the car. Okay, here's my drivetrain. Everything out of this car will go in mine. There's one thing we gotta do first. We gotta wake the old girl up after its long hibernation nap. Did I just run out of wire? I think I just ran out of wire. I'll give it a look. Okay, so I just ran out of wire and I'm calling it done for today. We have a gas tank protector and I was getting the mounts welded in before I ran out of wire. So I'll start this process again tomorrow. Okay, it is currently Saturday. It's time to start stripping my dad's Nephi car, so I can get all of the parts from that car in my car. I got all the fuel line and wiring out of the car, and I mounted the fuel line in this car. Now I just gotta get a mount made for the toggle switch. Got the shifter out, throttle pedal out. Now I just gotta get the master cylinder out. Then I'm gonna take a Sawzall and cut the car from right here all the way down, so I can take the front clip off the car and so I can get the motor and transmission out of it. I just got the whole front end of that car ripped off. Now I just gotta pull the bumper back down so I can get the rest of the core support out. Then the motor comes out.
One motor and trans. Ready to go on Landon's car.
Oh, there's 2 motor mounts.
Now what?
Sawzall the whole front of half of this frame off.
You got her, bud.
Got it.
Alright, so he's cleaning out the back of the car. We're gonna start cutting on this roll cage, see what we can get out of it. We've done some damage to the car. Seats
Done
are
a
out.
lot.
Gas protector. Well, we got Land's car in here. Old one out. We'll get to work. What's first?
Get the motor and transmission in the car.
Sweet. Land will get these bolted up.
I think that's
set
gonna be
that
pretty
thing
good.
in. Oh yeah. That was kind of a two-man job, but we got the motor in. Land's getting ready to weld those motor mounts up. And look at that. 0.9 ain't bad for a derby car.
The cross member for the transmission is in. I'm just gonna weld it right here so it's for sure not going anywhere. Motor and transmission are mounted.
It's a good day.
That's a win. We are collapsing bumper shocks. I already got the holes drilled in them. Now we're just gonna beat it with a sledgehammer until they collapse. I forgot to film today, but my best friend Carl's here. And we got the rear end in the car. We got driveline hooked up. We got the rear bumper shocks welded and collapsed. We got power steering lines on it. Hopefully, by the end of this week, you'll see this car move under its own power. Front suspension's done. We got new lug studs, the different wheels, and we got the A-arms chained down.
So basically I'm making a little gusset to go from the gas tank protector up to the halo, and it's kind of being a pain in the butt, but we'll get it.
And I'm over here wiring. Got the fans on a different switch, so it shouldn't burn up anything or kill the car, but we're getting it.
We're actually being smart.
Like it?
Yeah, looks all right. It's good enough for a derby,
Yeah.
I guess. It ain't pretty, but she'll hold.
While Carl's building the gas tank protector bars, I finished the wiring. Okay, we got a lot done today. We got gas tank protector bars, rear bumper, front suspension all done.
Got a little bit of wiring.
We got a little wiring done.
Shoot, should we see if it runs?
Yeah. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Air fuel pump. And just like that, all the wiring is done. Update for you guys. We have all 4 holes cut out for down bars. And Carl got the all thread
built. It looks really good. But now, I'm on to down bars.
How's she
Good
run?
work.
She
It's
good?
a little soft in the rear. It's a little bouncy, but
Yeah, we'll fix that tomorrow.
we'll fix that tomorrow.
We're gonna add some double springs. I don't know if you can see in here. Right up there, there's just some stock springs. We're gonna double them up, and then we're gonna tie it down and chain the axle.
Hopefully
Get it
by
stiffer.
tomorrow. Honestly, this car is basically done.
The next day.
We got the cooling system all done, and all the hoses and stuff all are on. Now, we're gonna run down to the cars and go find some other coil springs that we can spin into the back coils and make them a lot stiffer. We double spring it now. It's a lot stiffer in the rear, and hopefully that'll help a lot.
GoPro lost audio, so I'm telling you guys what we did. So we put 9-wire on the front because the rules allowed it. We put 2 extra bolts to keep the hood down on the core support, and we also took 9-wire and wrapped it around the frame here and here up over into the cage, so no matter what, the back end of this car is going up. Let's get to painting.
Sweet.
Okay, we just got done painting the car and it's looking pretty dang good. Give you a little walk around it. It's gonna be a good car. The next time you guys see this, we'll be loading it on a trailer and heading for St. George. Until then, thanks for watching.
Alrighty, it's bright and early in the morning and it's Derby day. This kid's been working hard on a car. We're gonna go crash it today. He's got it loaded up with all his spare parts and miscellaneous stuff that he thinks he might need. We're headed to Hurricane. So it's the county fair down there. Landon's teamed up with another kid. They have that's a team demolition derby, so it's 2-on-2. So we'll go see how he does and we'll take you guys along for the ride. You ready for this, Land?
I think I'm ready.
All right, we'll find out if we're ready. We still have a bunch to do. We got to get pit passes bought. We got to get a whole bunch of stuff. Got to get the cars teched in, and then we'll see where this turns out. Len just headed over to tech his car in. We'll cruise over there and see what there is to see over there. Take you along, show you, see what we got to fix on it. See if him and Carl build a good car. If we don't have to cut anything, we'll probably in trouble. There's some good cars here today. All right, we're just chilling here in inspection, just waiting. And we hear that only 2 cars have passed so far, and there's been a lot roll through here, so we'll see how this rolls for Lando. It's getting warm though. The sun is out. I'm gonna have to take this jacket off here shortly. All right, Joker, what are you looking for on these cars? Not just this car, any car, what are you looking to catch cheaters there?
Well, coming from you, legal beagle, everything's always right.
So I didn't touch this car.
So
I haven't built this car, I haven't touched a welder on this car, it's all him. This is his.
Everything goes to you.
I'll help him fix whatever you guys find, obviously, but what's the most common cheating?
We have lists of rules and you have to follow them, just like everything else in life.
Is he will keep a transmission in this car.
It's possible. I think I finished one derby in my life where I drove out of the arena at the end. All right, so they're just going over. Land, he's been following the rules, I think. I haven't been supervising this build a lot, so we'll see.
So far, so good. I don't know. We'll find out.
We'll just fix whatever doesn't make it.
It won't be bad.
All right.
It won't be bad. No protectors, no bracing, engines on rubber, A-arms, chain, weld. If you're gonna run these, you can, but it must aid in holding the hood closed. Right now they go up under the hood. You just have to add something to that.
Through it.
You have to add to your car to pass tech.
Okay. That's not good, just so you know.
Well, I mean, you're getting it around the all thread, which is the good
yeah.
thing. But if I open the hood, it stays there. It's got to go with the hood. So
yeah.
Something, fish
around
something
it
through there. Drill
Perfect.
a hole, fish that in there.
What else you got?
I have to cut these off.
Oh, those just have to come off?
Yeah. Which shouldn't be too bad.
I would say just cut them off.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, it says do not touch the body with anything. No. I mean, I'll read it to you if you want to know.
They don't like Landon's trunk
I'll read
in
it to you.
this. They don't like it. We're gonna have to deal with that. Should get interesting. They want us to straighten this right there. It's not gonna straighten. We'll bend it. It'll bend the other way and it'll go out instead of in. So, gonna be a long day. Now we may not be running this car tonight. We may take this car elsewhere. Because if we pull it back down, it's junk and it'll just go to quick. So we got some decisions to make. I don't know what we're gonna do yet. It's this kid that's making the decisions. It's his car. I guess Lance made his mind up. We're gonna fix this car. So I don't know if that's a good or bad decision, but we'll find out. Now we just gotta put something under it. Their side of the bin. Right there.
you expect that you'd be doing this today?
Not really. But
I would have loaded and left, but it's Land's car.
But my dad basically said, either way, the transmission, rear end, and motor are coming out of this car for his Nephi car. So I might as well just junk it tonight.
Getting the hood wired up here.
Yep, they just wanted it wrapped around the hood, so pretty simple. And then I think they wanted this fender cut.
Have you ever been to a derby where they've had you put 9
Only
wire in
every
holes?
single show I've ever been to, I'd get freaking raked through the coals at the inspection.
Well, holding it with 9 wire, have you ever had that?
No, I've never run a 9 car. No, it doesn't do one single thing other than...
Safer up here in case a car came in for him.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so everybody stay clear. I'm gonna release the bolt.
Why are we taking them off?
It said on the paper, no hump chains. It's in the rules, no hump chains allowed.
Seriously?
Yeah, like terribly stock.
Did you even read the rules? Land, he's been following the rules, I think. Haven't been supervising this build a lot, so we'll see.
There we go.
All right, car's fixed. I guess that's what you call it. Turns out Landon didn't read the rules very good, but the interpretation of the rules is always something, I don't know, some common sense has got to take over for inspectors at some point, and we're moving stuff that makes no sense. It doesn't make it any stronger, any weaker, just they didn't like it, so we have to move it. So we're wasting time, but we're doing it. Landon decided we're staying, so they about got her fixed. We'll take it back up and inspect it, see what happens.
Yeah, so you could cut that off, poke a hole here, and come back to each other so it still holds the frame up to the trunk lid.
Okay.
You can do that, or this one goes to there, because if you're worried about the trunk coming down, you know, if that's the one that goes there where it's a little more solid, that one could go there. So you could delete this one, run this one up to here, because that's still attachment for a trunk attachment point, and run down. Those are options you got.
Okay.
So
Then we can come back and get a head stick.
Yeah, and then you're done.
Okay.
Woo, only one thing.
Well, they didn't like my 9 wire to the roll cage, so we're just gonna take it from here, loop it around to this one.
A few minutes later.
Now we're legal.
All right, Land finally passed tech. Got himself a stick. You can see there. So I guess they didn't like this around the cage. Had to move it to here, which doesn't do any good here. It's pretty pointless. A bunch of the stuff we did is pointless, but they wanted it done, so it's done. The back of the car is not good. It's gonna go away, but they liked it enough that he's gonna run. So wish us luck. All right, Land's down at the driver's meeting. We just got all the cameras put inside of here, so you guys can see Landon crash this car. I think it's still gonna be pretty good. The front end of it's still decent. I got my fingers crossed on the back end. I hope it hangs. There's some really good cars here. We'll see how it turns out. I think he's in the 3rd heat with some people that we know, so that should work out. There's 12 cars in a heat, which is gonna help him because fills the arena up. You can't get as big a run. So next stop, Derby.
it's just two, right?
Hey, keep this thing pinned unless you're about to fly into your teammate.
The first person you see out.
Do not drive like this is a one and done heat.
I know.
The F-64 landed Ox. I'm hearing he's coming out swinging. All right, let's count down for 5, 4, competitors not heeding the red flag.
Bell housing.
And then 07, let's stand, McDonald. Team Clancy bound, Thompson, and the X64, Landon.
I would like to get rid of the transmission gods.
Washington
Not that bad, is it? He broke the bell housing. Yeah.
Number 3.
It was awesome. Drove great. The car held together very well, except the transmission.
job.
You did awesome. I was thoroughly impressed with this tractor and the car.
Same.
Little girl, man, like the top.
It really is. Well, unfortunately, he's done.
Yeah, broke the bell housing. There's no coming back from that.
We got this golf cart to go back and forth, and it looks like it's being used in other ways. I don't know if the old go-kart's got it.
It's got it.
Oh. So unfortunately, Landon is done. He broke the bell housing in his car. But his teammate, they're going to try to fix him up a little bit because he's still running, but he's kind of hurt. So they're going to try to fix it and get him ready for the main event.
So this car, what happened was when he hit, the frame bent and his throttle got stuck at like an idle. So we weren't able to get it any gas. Now we're pulling it down, welding the plates on it where it bent, and sending it back out in the main.
And this is the way we do it. We do it with the tow truck bed, and then what happens?
This is a dirty driver's dream. Tow truck team can do this. One more. One more right there.
That pretty good? Pretty close. Good? That was awesome. The
Yeah.
car held up phenomenal.
Yes, it did.
I'm surprised because I could still potentially run that car again.
Just not with that same transmission.
Nope. Bell housing broke and on the last hit.
The heat was 15 minutes.
It was 15 minutes?
Yes.
Holy.
Yeah.
We're going a long time.
So apparently, Landon has the transmission curse as well at fabrats.
Well, it's not my curse because it's Dad's motor.
Well, you were driving it.
I'm gonna go over there.
You did a good job.
It's the curse of the transmission. I don't know that I've ever made it through a full heat with this motor with a transmission. So the curse continues. It doesn't matter. She runs good, doesn't it? We got the Derby car stashed over here in the boneyard. We've assessed it. We've looked at it pretty good. The back end's toast on it. It's pretty much junk. The front end still has a run in it. This is our dilemma. We need all the parts out of this car for a different style build for Nephi this year. So this car probably won't run again. We may not cut it apart. We may stretch it out. I don't know. We got to take the motor and the rear end out of it though, for sure. Use on other stuff. Proud of this kid for all the hard work he put into it. He drove dang smart. This car shouldn't have lasted as long as it did. He drove really good. Proved me wrong. I didn't think it'd be as tough as it was in the front. So he done good building it, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're on to the next project. Thanks for watching.
Fabrats build that doesn't have transmission issues.
No. But it will.
Before the end of the night, we plan on having transmission issues?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we'll go with that.
I'm not getting hit in the head again, because that hurt, and that was solid.